Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we are diving into a problem that can leave you scratching your head and reaching for your wallet: engine misfires. But don't worry, we're not just talking about the causes, I'm also going to show you some DIY fixes that can save you big bucks. So, let's get started. First things first, let's break down what an engine misfire actually is. An engine misfire occurs when one or more of the engine cylinders fail to fire properly during the combustion process. This to incomplete combustion or no combustion at all in one or more cylinders. There are several culprits behind an engine misfire, so let's go over the most common ones. 1. Worn spark plugs. Spark plugs ignite the air-fuel mixture in the cylinder. If they're worn, fouled, or improperly gapped, they may not create a strong spark, causing incomplete combustion and misfires. 2. Bad ignition coils. Ignition coils generate the high voltage needed to fire the spark plugs. If a coil fails, it can lead to weak or no spark, resulting in misfires. 3. Dirty fuel injectors. Fuel injectors spray fuel into the combustion chamber. If they're dirty or clogged, they may not deliver the correct amount of fuel, leading to lean air-fuel mixture. This lean mixture leads to engine misfire. 4. Failing fuel pump. The fuel pump delivers fuel from the tank to the engine at the correct pressure. A faulty pump may not provide enough fuel pressure. Low fuel pressure results in insufficient fuel reaching the cylinders, causing a lean mixture and potential misfires. 5. Faulty crankshaft position sensor. The crankshaft sensor monitors the position of the crankshaft to help control ignition timing. A failure can disrupt timing and lead to misfires. 6. Dirty mass airflow sensor. The MAF sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine, sends this data to the engine control unit. A dirty sensor can provide inaccurate readings, affecting the air-fuel mixture and causing misfires. 7. Vacuum leaks. Your engine relies on a precise balance of air and fuel. Vacuum leaks allow extra air into the engine, disrupting the air-fuel mixture. This can cause the engine to run too lean or too rich, and result in misfires. 8. Bad timing belt or chain. The timing belt, or chain, ensures the precise timing of the opening and closing of engine valves. If it is stretched or misaligned, it can affect valve timing, leading to poor combustion and misfires. 9. Worn piston rings. Piston rings help seal the combustion chamber. If the rings are worn, they may not seal properly, leading to a loss of compression in the cylinder. This causes the misfire. 10. Faulty oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor measures the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gases, helping the engine control unit adjust the air-fuel mixture for optimal combustion. A faulty sensor can lead to incorrect fuel mixture adjustments, causing misfires. Alright, now that we know the common causes, let's talk fixes. Inspect your spark plugs. If they are worn or damaged, replace them. If the spark plugs are good, move on to the ignition coils. You can test them with a multimeter to see if they're providing the right voltage. For fuel delivery issues, try using a fuel injector cleaner. If that doesn't work, the injectors might need to be replaced. If you've gone through these steps and your engine is still misfiring, it might be time to let a mechanic take a look. So, there you have it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks. Until next time, drive safe and keep your engines running smoothly.